Well, hello, you divine gods and goddesses. Beautiful rising, good afternoon, and or lovely evening to you, wherever you are, depending on the location of your rotation. Thank you for stopping by my channel. This is our weekly goddess energy check-in featuring the Your Goddess Year book by Sky Alexander, a week-by-week guide to invoking the divine feminine. So, welcome or welcome back. Like, welcome if this is your first time, or welcome back if this is not your first time. So, I hope you're all doing so very well. All of these readings are intended to be timeless, meaning, yeah, whenever you've found this video is when you are meant to hear this goddess's message or, tune into this goddess's energy. So, I am so excited. We are just, trucking right along through this year, through this book, and yeah, I'm very excited. So, like I said, we are up to August. We are trucking through this year, and this week, our goddess, well, actually, we are up to August. So, we will read about the month of August. Actually, today is the first day of school here for some of the kids here in Florida where I live. So, yeah, it's the shifting of the energies. It's like, I feel like the first day of school is kind of like almost that's when the weather's going to be shifting soon. And yeah, I love it. All right, let's read August. This morning the sun endures past dawn. I realize that it is August, the summer's last stand. Sarah Baum, English author, A Line Made by Walking. That is like absolutely the exact thing that I was thinking of. Summer's last stand, like the dog days of summer, right? So, August. August is a time of fullness, when life on earth is bountiful and we reap what we've sown. The glowing goddesses Diana, Oshun, Pele, and Pavarti personify this bright and beautiful month. As you meet the deities in this section and learn about the traditions that celebrate them, let their experiences inspire you in matters of self-reliance. How have your efforts brought about or inhibited abundance? How can sharing your powers with others benefit all concerned? The goddesses' stories can guide you. I'm just saying, like Diana, Oshun, Pele, and Pavarti, just saying those four names is like, oh, August? Oh, August is about to be a good month. I'm just saying. And so this week, guys, uh, it's Oshun. I am so excited. When I remembered it was Oshun, I just got chills all over my body. My eyes, well, not my eyes, started watering. I cried a little bit, okay? My eyes turned into the ocean a little bit. And so I know her energy is around. And so if you look up images of Oshun, she's usually in like yellow dresses, and like yellow's my favorite color. And so that was one thing that, like, yeah, when I had even looked up specific like deities, like when I found her, I was like, oh my gosh. But anyways, let's read about Oshun. Dates for inviting her: August 14th through the 20th. The Yoruba people of Nigeria celebrate Oshun, the goddess of fertility, in her sacred grove near Oshobo, with a 2-week festival, usually in July or August. At this time of the year, thousands of people visit the nearly 200 acres of forest dedicated to her, where shrines and artwork abound. This week, we too honor this gentle, generous, and beautiful deity and align ourselves with her love and kindness. Her animal totems. As the protector of fish and birds, Oshun cares for all the creatures that live in or frequent the waterways of Western Africa. The colorful peacock is one of her sacred birds. I love peacocks. And I didn't read this at all before I started, but like, look what I found today. Like, as I was walking my dog, this was right in like on in the middle of the sidewalk. And so, saying that she's the guardian of birds and stuff, I found this today. Yeah, amazing. Amazing. And I didn't even make that connection because I had showed it in like the daily chakra readings that I do. I, just had picked it up as a message for that as well. And then just reading here about the birds, I was like, OMG. Just made that connection. So, yeah, nice. All right, her story. One of the most benevolent of the world's deities, Oshun showers humanity with love of all kinds, not only romantic, but also familial and spiritual. Mythology depicts her as a river goddess, known as the goddess of the sweet or fresh waters. The river Oshun in Nigeria is named for her. Throughout history, water has symbolized fertility, abundance, and nourishment, as well as healing and purification. Oshun represents all these and more. Like the Asian goddess Kuan Yin, March 5th through 11th, she pours the waters of life onto the world and blesses humanity with joy, compassion, and fruitfulness. Although her kindness and protection extend to all her followers, she lavishes special care on the poor, sick, and orphans. As is the case with many fertility goddesses, Oshun governs the productivity of the land. Folklore tells us she taught agriculture to her people and brought them prosperity. According to one legend, she joined forces with other female deities to create the earth when the male gods failed at the task. Oshun also knows the art of divination and can tell the future using cowrie shells, a skill she shared with the other deities known as orishas. Reasons to invite her. If you're seeking a new lover or want to sweeten an existing relationship, ask Oshun to school you in the art of seduction. She'll teach you to appreciate your own beauty, to be comfortable with your sexuality, and to open your heart to love. This fertility goddess can also help those who wish to become pregnant. If you've fallen on hard times financially or would like to be more prosperous, she'll bring her knowledge of agriculture to bear and show you how to plant the seeds that attract abundance. Her healing powers can also ease the discomfort of an illness or injury. She may even suggest hydrotherapy, aromatherapy, or a cleansing regimen. Sit beside a body of running water and listen to her voice guiding you. Seriously, guys, I'm like tearing up. I can't keep it in. I don't know. Okay. Symbols and correspondences. Myths say this luxury loving goddess has a fondness for all sorts of girly things, including gold and amber jewelry, shells, and perfume, which she uses to heighten her sensual allure. Sometimes she appears as a mermaid, holding a mirror or a circular fan. The sweet tempered deity also enjoys sweet foods, especially honey and fruit. Oh my goodness. How to invite her. Legends say Oshun has magical powers and a special talent for concocting love spells. Invite her to participate in creating this fragrant love oil with you. You'll need a piece of pink paper, a pen, pencil, or marker that writes red ink, scissors, olive oil, a scallop, clam, or cockle shell, rose, ylang ylang, patchouli, or jasmine scented essential oil, or a combination. These are the most important oils associated with love. 1. On the pink paper, draw a heart with your red pen, pencil, or marker, and then cut it out. 2. Write your intention on the paper heart, stating the outcome you desire in a positive way. For example, I now have a lover who's right for me in every way. As you work, envision your wish coming true and sense Oshun helping you to achieve your heart's desire. 3. Pour about a tablespoon of olive oil into the shell so that the shell is about half full. 4. Add a few drops of the essential oil or oils, then stir the mixture with your finger. 5. Put 3 dots of oil on the heart. 6. Put a dot of oil on your forehead, heart, and solar plexus, which lies about halfway between the heart and belly button. Note, some people are sensitive to essential oils, so you may want to do a test beforehand. If your skin does not tolerate the oil, dip a handkerchief in the oil mixture and hold it near your nose as you touch these body parts. Oh, these body points. Okay. 7. When you've finished, take the shell with the remaining oil to a stream or river. Place the shell in the water as an offering to the goddess to thank her for her assistance. 8. Sleep with the paper heart under your pillow each night this week. Wow. Wow. Okay. So there is Oshun. So if you feel guided to connect with Oshun, just like reading this, it's like she is like the goddess of all. Like not only love, I feel that with if you decide to do, this, I feel that you can also, put like I now have all of the abundance or financial abundance that is right for me in every way, or I now have all the financial abundance that I desire, or, you know, opportunities continue to open up for me, or, you know, I am healthy and healed, and whatever it is. But yeah, so I feel that you can put whatever intention on here on the paper, and it doesn't have to be just about love, because as you see, it was like not only about love, but like fertility, financial prosperity, you know to attract abundance, healing powers. So whatever is most guiding you to her energy. So yeah, so this week we have learned about Oshun. I'm so excited. So yeah, if you felt a connection with her energy, like this is one that definitely it's like I feel her energy and it's like making me emotional. But all right. So I hope you all found something that resonates with you. And if you are watching, let's see, what are we? Pele is next week. So I'm super excited for that one as well. Um, so if you found something about Oshun that resonates with you, then yeah, reach out to her, do the ritual and bring in your own abundance and prosperity. Ah, wow, amazing. So, if you are watching this video on YouTube or Unite the 99, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps out the video a lot on YouTube so that more people are able to see it. If you are watching this on Fanbase, then yeah, give this a love. I would definitely appreciate it. So, if you are subscribed to the channel, I want to say thank you so very much for allowing me to be part of your journey. So with that, I will see you all in the next one.